Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada's third city, just a few miles north of the U.S. border. Yesterday, a brash settlement on the edge of nowhere. Today, one of the most beautiful cities in North America and the busiest seaport on Canada's Pacific coast. So young, her story is still being written, but old enough to have developed a personality that is all her own.
哎呀，佢打爛我啲創氣啊，打爛我啲鋪氣啊，焦腳㗎嘛㗎係。
停得耐，唔使佢衝動。
哎，向腳哥嘅腦咧嘅儲氣嘛，焦腳㗎嘛㗎係，腳想打我打翻腳啊。
佢按嘅，你幾有控佢啊？係啊。
我要你嘅廠喎，阿陳叔，邊年嘅廠邊個呢？我打算上屋拐杖，打死佢啲屍契底，開廠打死佢。
係咪唔好個樣話？我淨係用外軍翻嚟嘅話，佢哋都要鳩立立亂噶啦。黃子迪已經通知市政府咧，市政府已經派出咧警察嚟噶啦。
那陸羽也嚇我啲紅人，啲司龜佬也嚇我啲紅人。我講你響人念聲喎，那陸羽話佛燒爛你喎，你真係蠢啦又。
市政府已經應承話保護我啲財產噶啦。 你對銀行細佬居然冇離開紅人計啊？
差唔多周晒咯。
我幾間你還到佢啊？你日有刀啊？
我唔周喎。
唉，佢好危險㗎，你反咗刀啦。
我撩開佢。
呢啲處爭解人啲司龜佬想攻擊我啲紅人嘛，就想踢正呢印度龜嘛，就想踢正呢日本仔人嘛。我講你響啦，我哋容易發。 複雜就係啦，我哋政府話冇保護我哋人權啊，話會是屋頂開拳打我哋司龜佬。
快上晒啲貨，個先冇乜嘢做咯，係咪？你唔好浪落去聽話，要有能定依下話。
無論如何，我一定要報銷，唔係嘅咩人都有訂來，我一定要報銷。係啊。
The tension seems to have built up again in the first decade of this century. The famous Vancouver riots were in 1907, I think.
And what can you tell us about these riots?
They were not directed solely against the Japanese, of course. They were both against the Japanese and the Chinese. And there had been a certain increase in immigration just in those few years, but they did lead to a number of non-Oriental to Occidental mobs storming Chinatown and Japantown in Vancouver at this time, and fighting back with bottles and sticks and stones. And there was a great deal of pillage and destruction. And it was as a result of this that the Japanese government and the British government came to a quota agreement, the so-called gentleman's agreement, by which Japanese migration to BC was restricted.
「奴らに怪我をさせた最初の晩のことを忘れるな。あの晩に日本刀を持って連中の中に切り込まなかったら奴らは居続けただろう。攻撃するの悪いとは思わない。けど生意気にもまた戻ってくるとは思い知らせてやる。おい、やっても無駄だそんなこと。連中を興奮させるだけだ。おい、よし、ここは警察に任せよ。ほら。私は警察を待ちたくない。俺たちの協力がなければ警察はやろうとも抑えきれない。 我々が連中に怪我をさせたから引き上げていったじゃないか。私は戦いたい。南京の中にも奴らと戦いたいと言って加勢してくれる連中はいる。ちょっと待て。騎馬警官がボートの連中を抑えてくれるはずなんだから。私は警察を待つのは嫌だ。たった今鉄郎から日本人学校が火事だと聞いたところだ。放火だそうだ。連中は我々日本人の建物を焼こうとしやがる。畜生ども。 お前ら皆殺しだ。殺してやる。頭を冷やせよし。誰か語学校に行って様子を見てくれるといいな。竹雄、森川領事に語学校の火事のことを知らせてくれないか。